Hey everyone, it's Colt. I just launched a brand new course. It is called JavaScript Pro. It's basically an intermediate slash advanced JavaScript course. What I noticed was, and it doesn't take a genius to notice this, that a lot of students who go through online courses, including most of my own courses that cover JavaScript, they'll teach you the basics and maybe a bit more than the basics. But then there's a huge gap between knowing the fundamentals of JavaScript and truly being a JavaScript expert. So this course is my attempt at bridging that gap, helping students who know enough JavaScript to know almost everything about JavaScript. Before I forget, there is a link in the description below where you can get the special launch price, right? The lowest that I can offer it to you for. The course covers a ton of different topics. We talk about things like all the tricky parts of JavaScript, closures and hoisting, asynchronous design patterns, the keyword this, prototypes, new OOP features. We talk about more advanced concepts like throttling and debouncing, currying and working with proxy objects, and of course we cover all the newest syntax in JavaScript, the ES 2021 and 2022 features like class fields, private methods. There's a handful of new methods and operators available to us. Then we talk about a lot of the built-in JavaScript APIs that I just don't really have time to cover in my other courses. They're really useful and can be very, very important to know, ranging from things like local storage and session storage and IndexedDB, geolocation APIs, the Get User Media API to access webcams and microphones, my favorite, which is intersection observers. I show how to use those for lazy loading and for basically tracking when somebody is viewing content on the screen. We talk about the performance API, the web audio API. We learn a lot about Canvas and creating performant animations with Request Animation Frame. We talk about WebSockets, the Notifications API. We build a live chat application with Express. And we talk a lot about functional programming, things like currying and partial application and composition. We talk about design patterns. We cover a bunch of different design patterns in JavaScript, ranging from the observer pattern to the module pattern to the registry pattern. And we talk about object-oriented programming, not just how it works in JavaScript, which a lot of you already know, but actual principles of writing good object-oriented code and some of the newest syntax in JavaScript OOP land, things like static initialization blocks and class fields. So the overall idea of the course is to help people bridge that gap from knowing the basics, some JavaScript, enough to get by, to professional level JavaScript. So it's not a course for complete JavaScript beginners, but you also do not need to be an expert in JavaScript in order to take this course. That's the whole point. It helps you become an expert in JavaScript. Anyway, I'm really happy with how it turned out. As always, there's a link in the description below. If you are interested, check it out. There's a coupon down there, blah, blah, blah. And I hope you enjoy it. I had a lot of fun making this course, and it covers some really important content. Okay, bye everyone.